how the gospel transforms human hearts. First key point here, the gospel brings about a radical change within us. It has the power to take our brokenness, our sin, and our shame and transform it into something beautiful. I knew when we truly embrace the message of Christ, our hearts are renewed and we are made whole. And on the second point, the gospel teaches us to love and forgive. In Philemon 1 verse 11, Paul urged Philemon to welcome back his runaway slave, Onesimus, not as a slave, but as a brother in Christ. This is a powerful example of how the gospel calls us to love and forgive others, regardless of their past mistakes or wrongdoings. Another point, the third point, the gospel compels us to live out our faith in tangible ways. When our hearts are transformed by gospel, we are moved to actions. We speak justice, show mercy, and extend grace to those around us. Our life becomes reflection of the love and compassion that Jesus has shown us. The gospel has the power to transform our hearts in profound ways. It changes how we see ourselves, how we interact with others, and how we live our faith. So let's embrace this transformation message and follow it to shape us into the people that God has called us to be. The gospel has the ability to change your situation, to make you who you are supposed to be. Let us embrace this gospel today because it is love, it's kindness, it's compassion. The gospel that wants you to forgive others so that we can fall in line with the things of God. Remember Philemon chapter 1 verse 11. The Onesimus was not accepted as a slave again. It was accepted now as a brother in Christ. So this is how the life we should live today should be. Forgive one another and forge ahead so that God will forgive you and work on you. Thank you so much, my people. Thank you for, if this message resonates with you, please let's kindly share. And so we can reach a greater number of people on this platform. And God bless you. Thank you so much. Till we come back again to your feed, remain blessed.